Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Crown's Mantra. Today I have came up with a traditional recipe which is cooked in our family during many occasions. We call it as Shamia, but in Hyderabad it is well known as Shami Kebab. Yes, it's a Hyderabadi recipe too. It is popular dish in Indian and Pakistani cuisines. It is one of the best recipes for snacking. There are several etymological explanations behind the Shami Kebab. One explanation is that the name of the dish derives from the word Sham, which means dinner or night in Persian. It also means evening in Urdu and Hindi. The name Shami Kebab may also refer to Bilad al-Sham, the modern Syria, has many cooks from that region migrated to the wealthy Mughal Empire of South Asia during the Middle Ages. This Shami Kebab texture is very smooth and they can be made into any shape, maybe round or oval or the shape you prefer. The kebabs are very common throughout the world. The basic ingredients for kebab is usually meat, but meat can be substituted by chicken, fish, prawns, etc. Prawns shamiyas is our favorite. Sure, we are going to watch in our channel in the upcoming videos. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it to get more interesting videos. Kebabs can be grilled or fried, but the shamiyas are going to be slightly shallow fried in oil and not deep fried or grilled. The procedure requires very few ingredients and can be made very easily. Okay friends, let us see the ingredients now. We have taken 500 grams of mutton keema. You can take the mutton pieces too. I have washed and cleaned, and quarter cup of chana dal, chickpea lentils, soaked in water for half an hour, 3 to 4 green chilies, 2 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, whole coriander seeds, cumin seeds, 3 to 4 red chilies as per your taste, fennel seeds and some cashew nuts. It's an optional. If you want you can use it or else you can leave it. And some whole garam masala. I have taken cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, stone flower, black cardamom, and 1 or 2 eggs as required at the end, salt as required, chopped ginger and 4 pods of garlic and oil for shallow frying. Okay, let's start making it. Firstly, in pressure cooker, add the mutton keema, put some oil, and roast it for about 2 minutes. Then add the sliced onions, chopped mint and coriander leaves, and chopped ginger and garlic and green chilies, and roast it for again 2 minutes. Then add red chili powder, turmeric powder, whole garam masala, zira, sauf, red chilies, turmeric powder, cashews, coriander seeds all together in a plate and roast it for about 2-3 minutes. Yes. Now add the chana dal which has been soaked for half an hour. Again roast it. Then add some salt as required. And add about half a cup of water or less than that as required. And 1 teaspoon of oil. Pressure cook the whole mixture until the mutton keema and chana dal gets tender or for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Okay, now our pressure cooker has released the pressure. Let us open the pressure cooker lid. There is some excess of water remaining in the mutton mixture. So let us cook until the water is absorbed totally. Once it is done, switch off the flame and let us allow the mixture of mutton to cool down completely. Once it is cooled down, yes, now we are going to add it in the blender jar. Make the mixture of mutton into a fine paste. Not add any excess of water. Our mixture is little sticky, so let us add some roasted gram flour. And also you can rest the dough paste in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes for the mutton paste to become thick. Finally, we can add 1 egg to give the perfect binding. Okay, now the dough paste is ready. In this stage, we can add the finely chopped onions and green chilies, some coriander leaves, give a nice mix, and finally add 1 teaspoon oil and mix it. Okay, now your dough is ready. Okay, now let us grease the tray with some oil. Take a small ball portion of mutton dough. Apply oil on palms and make the kebab of any shape, that is round shape or oval shape, star, moon, or any shape is required. I am making here in round shapes, which is traditionally made at home. And make as many kebabs as you prefer. And arrange it in a tray. Heat the tawa. Add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Place the kebabs on tawa and shallow fry until it is golden brown color appear at the double side of the kebab. Take them out once it is fried. Keep it in a plate. Similarly, let us shallow fry the rest of the kebabs. Also, the remaining patties you can keep it in the freezer for a week and fry it as when it is required. And serve the shamias with lemon and onions. Wow, it's colorful and it's mouth-watering too. Eat them along with dal or roti or any other gravies, or also you can use it during the snacking. It will be amazing. Okay friends, hope you all enjoyed this video. Please try this recipe at home and share your comments below. Thanks for watching.